Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Dennis, and today I want to talk to you about the big backpack I have on my shoulders. It's the model 97 from the Belgian Army with its very strange camouflage, and I buy it from Barusteleka, the Finnish store for military and outdoors equipment. This backpack is very huge. It's incredible, about 110 liters, maybe 120, and it has three main compartments. The main compartment in the middle, the lower compartment for our sleeping and BB equipment, and the lid. Aside we find two pouches that we can detach and zip together, transform them in a daily pack. It's a very interesting solution, but we can find on other similar military backpack. The first impression is that it is one of the more comfortable backpack that I tried in the last years. The waist belt is very padded, as also the suspenders, but can spread the weight in a good way without cut our shoulders. As the name M97, model 97 suggests, the project has been developed in the last century, in 1997, so it has about over 25 years, but it remains a very interesting project for military, but also for trekker and bushcrafters. The rucksack cloth, it seems cordura 1,000 dinars. It is very tough, but this cause that the weight is but it's a heavy backpack. It's not light because it is for military, without too much interest for the comfort of the soldier, but it has to be very tough to bring, to carry, and to carry ammunition, weapon, anti-tank, portable rockets, and something like this. But in a trekker or bushcrafter view, it's interesting because it allows to bring a very high weight without damage, and allows to bring a lot of equipment. For example, in a snowy condition, when we need to carry without puffy jacket, sleeping bags, and something like this. This huge backpack comes from Barusteleka, and when I received it, I recognized that it was not new, but it was a surplus only from the elastic ring, but which are used to gather the excess of straps. In all parts it seems new without any damage. let's take a quick look to it. On the back side we have a very padded hip belt, a padded part for our back, and very tough suspender. On the front side, the main compartment, very huge, a lower compartment for our sleeping bag, a lid with a front opening, and 2 pouch aside. But there are a lot of very interesting features that I will analyze in a complete review after some months of tests. It's necessary some amount of tests to understand how the backpack walk on our shoulders. The design of this backpack is very close to the design of several backpacks for North European armies, like the Dutch army, the British army. The design is very similar to the low alpine Saracen or Sting, but also to the Berghaus and Carrymore rucksack dedicated to the military. This is only a first video with a first impression of this backpack. In next month I hope to try it hard, and then I will release a video review about it. If you are interested to watch it, subscribe to the channel. Bye.